Qualcomm turns in $4.89 billion in revenue versus $5.08 expected. Earnings per share non-GAAP of 80 cents versus 75 expected. Now, it should be noted that Apple's payment on their settlement was not included in that revenue number. So if you add that in, the number would be higher. The miss there versus expectations is really on the QCT unit. That's the chip unit. It was expected to turn in around $3.8 billion, came in at $3.57. Now, on the guidance, that's also light. The street was looking for $5.63 billion for fiscal Q4. They're guiding to a midpoint of $4.7 billion, the range of 4.3 to 5.1. Also on earnings per share, the street wanted $1.08. Qualcomm guiding to a range of 65 to 75 cents. That would be 70 cents, of course, at the midpoint, guys.
John Fortt, thank you. Stock down 4% after hours and has been an underperformer this month. Some of these semis are up double digits. Qualcomm's actually down for July, 3% going in.
Qualcomm doesn't really ride the cycle the same way the other ones do. So a little bit of a mixed result. Not too surprised. It's backing off.
This is event-driven. This is this thing trades on lawsuits. Anyone that thinks they have an edge on this is out of their minds.
It's a patent litigation play,
right?
Mostly.
It'd be interesting to hear on the call what they think of Apple and Intel's side $1 billion deal.
Does that mean you're not touching it because of legal risk?
This is literally going to go up or down 10 to 20% on a judge's ruling. What would I be doing with that?
Judge's legal specialty is not.
By the way, though, I do think, though, if you're in chip land, you're paying much more attention to the drop in AMD than you are to anything Qualcomm has to say, because AMD's end markets are way more important to your confidence or lack thereof in
But that was just
semis.
because it's run up so much this year.
Well, but if you look at the losers today, I mean, you did have Micron and Maxim, I think.
It was on gaming, right? That's what Lisa Su said on Squawk on the Street. By the way, Micron up this month, 16%. Actually was one of the biggest winners in the S&P 500 for July, which we should note, Josh said last day of the month, it's an up month, at least a percent gain. I think 1.3 on the S&P, more than 2% for the NASDAQ.
Yeah, and
it's been a good month.
And so they backed off today, and that's a little bit of a corrective move. The DRAM index, which the price index for the chips that Micron specializes in, has curled higher, and I think that was why it had some strength recently.